How to make your woman scream your name on a first date with her. Hi everyone, welcome into another juicy class. Carry your chair, jump in. I want to tell you how you can make her scream your name on a first date. You catch it right. Number one thing you should do is whenever you people want to stay together, yes, make sure that you lick her plate. Yes. Licking of a woman's plate will make her scream your name instantly. Whether you have been married with her for long or you want to marry her, you people are still dating and you want her to clinch with you, you don't want her to leave you, make sure that you wash her plate. Yes. Washing of a woman's plate makes her get to cloud 9 fast. Remember, we have what is called orgasm. We have what is called cloud 9. Yes, that is getting to the point. So it will make her to get to the cloud 9 when you wash her plate. Yes, when you wash or you lick her plate. You know what I mean? Number 2 thing that you should do that will make her scream your name fast is make sure that you use this hand and tickle the clickly. For those of you who don't know what is clickly and where you can locate clickly, yes, most men don't know their own wife, their own clickly was caught during, second, yeah. But I want to tell you that when you use this hand, this finger, and go down to the Jerusalem ground where the clickly is, you are gentle on it. Believe me, she will scream out your name, because clickly is one of the things that can make a woman from level 1 to level 20 within a twinkle of an eye. Yes. Also, this can help you not to stay much long, but you have already satisfied, because you don't need to buy yourself as a man, but you want her to scream your name. You know, when a woman is screaming your joyful name, my Yodobu, my king, carry me go. When she starts to confess, her language will start to change. As in, her voice will start to change. As in, you are on point. A lot of women will tell you, you are on point, my darling, my sweetheart, you are on point. When a woman tells you, carry go, you are on point, keep on moving, that means she is enjoying what you are doing. That is screaming of your name. Screaming of your name in a joyful form. So when you are knocking your woman and she's not giving you that melody, believe me, you are not doing it right. Yes, this is natural sweetness that God created. So when you are knocking a woman and you are not hearing that Jerusalem noise, you are not doing it right. So if you want her to scream out your name, that name that gives you joy, make sure that you lick her plate. Make sure that you use this finger. Yes. Do it very, very well. Be gentle on it. Don't do it as if you are rushing somewhere. No. Be Romanus on it. Very, very well. You will see how she will scream out your name, and she will like you to be knocking her. If that is your wife, believe me, you can never, never have divorce with her. You people, your relationship will be bond. If that is a lady that you want to marry, she will never leave you. She will love to marry you because you make her happy. You satisfy her and make her happy. Yes. See you guys again in my next video. Have a wonderful day. Bye for now.